Apple just added the best feature in macOS software, which is called iPhone mirroring. You can now take full control of your iPhone inside your MacBook without even picking your phone, like the call logs, text, notification. Let me show you how to set it up and why this is a game changer. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more amazing tech content like this. Let's dive in. First off, what is iPhone mirroring? iPhone mirroring in macOS software lets you interact with your iPhone directly from your Mac without switching screen. You can drop and drag files, even open applications without switching screen. Here are 3 reasons why I feel you will love iPhone mirroring. 1. You can now drag and drop files seamlessly between both devices. Secondly, you can now use iPhone exclusive apps on your Mac screens. Thirdly, no more constantly checking on your iPhone to know who is texting, who is sending message for notification. Everything will be inside your Mac. Before you update your Mac to a macOS software, check if your Mac is compatible with iPhone mirroring. Here are a list of Macs that are compatible with iPhone mirroring. Number 1 on the list is 2020 MacBook Air and later. Number 2 on the list is 2019 MacBook Pro and later. Number 3 on the list is Mac Studio 2022 and later. Number 4 on the list is iMac Pro 2017. And number 6 on the list is Mac Mini 2018 and later. Note that 2018 MacBook Air and 2019 MacBook Air does not support iPhone mirroring due to the old Intel. Setting up your iPhone mirroring on your Mac is super easy and simple. First off, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18 Plus and make sure your Mac is updated to macOS software. Once you're done updating, make sure they are both connected to the same Wi-Fi and make sure that they are both signed in to the same iCloud. Once you're done with this, once you're done with updating and connecting to the same iCloud, come to your Mac. You will see this iPhone mirroring. Click on it. It will bring out this question, your iPhone on your Mac. Click on continue. Make sure you read every instruction. Click on continue. Once you click on continue, it will ask you to unlock your iPhone. All you have to do is to unlock your iPhone. Input your password. Now your iPhone is connected. Say allow notification from your iPhone. Click on allow. Now it's saying iPhone mirroring is ready to use. Make sure your iPhone is locked for it to connect. Click continue. Now it has connected. Let me now show you one of the sweetest thing about this. You can now drag pictures and drop on your desktop. You can also drag from your desktop. You can also drag from your desktop inside your iPhone. So super easy and simple. You can also drag videos, play games. I can go to my TikTok. Let me look for my TikTok. I can go to my TikTok. As you can see, this is my TikTok. Everything is working perfectly. As you can see, I can go to my TikTok. Are you seeing it? So now I can also go to whatever I want to go. Let me play game. All those exclusive iPhone games, I can play them on my Mac now. You can go to YouTube. As you can see, my YouTube is working. One of the sweet thing about this iPhone mirror is that you can play your iPhone music with the speakers of your MacBook. You can also use your keyboard of your iPhone on the keyboard of your Mac. macOS software iPhone mirroring is a game changer for me. It's like having your iPhone inside your MacBook. You do everything seamlessly. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be using this iPhone mirroring, and also if you find this tip helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more amazing tech content like this. Peace out.